Well, hello and welcome.
Calimera.
Yeah, Calimera to everyone.
Calispera.
Well, it is Calispera now. It's gone past midday,
Mm.
mid-afternoon. And we are in Paphos. Beautiful, beautiful day. The sky, look at the sky. Whoa, look at that. Isn't it? So blue, and it's quite warm. And we're in January. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Yep.
Okay, it does go a little bit chilly in an evening, but during the day, that sun is quite strong and it's quite warm.
And we're in t-shirts.
Yeah, look. T-shirts.
Bare arms.
Yeah, bare arms. Anyway, we're going to go for a little walk. We're actually in Bar Street.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to check out a particular place. A friend of ours is sort of renovating. And it's going to be the new Marika and Me Lounge Bar. So,
which will be opening in March.
March the 15th is the official opening date. Let's go for a walk. We'll show you where it is and we'll show you where we are on Bar Street, so you've got some idea how to find it. Okay, let's go for a wander. Right, so this is Bar Street. At the far end you've got TJ's Fish and Chip Shop. Let's just get a zoom in on that. That's the Fish and Chip Shop. That was Lineker's Bar. It's now being well, it's not being done anything with at the moment. Island Blue have got it and they're going to do something with it, I'm sure, at some stage.
Well, it shows on the picture here what they plan, I think.
Yeah, this is the...
I think it's going to be cafes and...
Yeah, shops and cafes, offices, etc. This is the plan for Lineker's Bar and another one as well. They are in quite a mess at the moment, as you'll see as I just tilt up and see. Look at the mess there. When they're going to do it, we don't know.
Only goodness knows.
Goodness knows when it's going to happen. So this is the famous Bar Street in Paphos. And it's not the only place that's actually closed down. There's quite a few. Vibes Club doesn't look as though there's anything much happening there at the moment. But it's easy to find. It's just behind the main street.
Of the harbour.
Of the harbour. Well, it's just up from the harbour, actually.
It's behind Poseidon Avenue.
That's it. And this, in front of us, is the new Marika and Me Bar. Now, if anybody knows who I'm talking about, he's got a YouTube channel, Marika and Me. Quite famous. He's got a lot of subscribers now, and it's growing every day. Car park here to our left, so you can park here.
And down there you can see a place called Mario's Diamonds.
Yes, Mario's Diamonds. Corner. I'm just going to zoom in on that.
And that is the main hotel road.
That's the main street. You can see a bus going by. That is the hotel's road. So just behind Mario's Diamonds is going to be the new
Marika and Me
Lounge Bar, yes. Like I say, there's a car park here off the street. You can park here, good parking facilities. And this is going to be
the new bar.
The new bar. Let's go and see what's going on. One
Work
of the chaps
going on.
There, busy painting.
Oh,
we got a little ramp.
We've got the ramp in.
The ramp is in. Let's walk you to the end. That's Marika and Me.
People busy painting in here.
Painters in. Let's go and find Paul. Let's go and find Mr. Paul. Where is he? How are you? You're busy painting?
Hello, hello.
There he is.
I've got a hat on, sunglasses.
Ah, you're in blue.
You all right?
Yes.
You have a good lunch.
Very good.
I brought my paintbrush.
Yes, Nessa brought a paintbrush. There she is. Look, there's a little paint. Go show me the paintbrush.
Paintbrush.
This is what you're going to use.
This is proof.
This is proof that he is actually working.
Yeah.
There we go.
No hat, no glasses.
No.
This is me.
That's right.
All right.
So absolutely perfect.
Want to see what? I think Ness is, well, she's much cleverer than both of us.
Yeah.
She will understand straight away. This is what they call this Italian stuff.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah, so base coat, then that stuff.
Yeah.
And we've got a lot of holes and grooves, so of course
Yeah.
it hides that as well. And then it will all go cream.
Yeah. Excellent.
Yeah.
It's looking good.
Coming along.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the weather came nice for you, isn't it?
Ah, perfect. It couldn't be better.
It was pre-ordered.
I told you it was keep it.
Yeah, well, I did say,
I promised you.
make sure you get the weather, and we did. So that's
You have a
good.
walk round. You have a walk round.
Yeah, we'll have a wander around.
Otherwise, I'm interrupting your video, so you have to walk round.
Yeah.
Carry on
You carry
working.
on. Just a bit of promotion on our channel for
Have a
you.
good snoop.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, a little bit of promotion again, because some of our subscribers might like to see. Yes. So let's go up the walk of fame. Lady Ness is walking up the stairs now, as Paul calls it. This will. Yeah. Yeah. This is going to be the brick wall where everybody who's paid a brick for you. Yes. The steps are going to have people's names on. They've all been bought. And this is the upstairs.
Hello.
Hello. There's the toilet part. Gents and ladies. And this is upstairs. Looking, it's coming along nicely.
It is.
As I say, the opening is scheduled for the 15th of March. So if you're in Paphos at that time, why not come along? I'm sure Paul and Marika would love to see you here, and it'll be a warm welcome. There's lots of changes here than when we first saw it on video.
Mm.
This is the outside decking. These top bits, they're going to come down eventually. This bit. So you're just going to have
a nice
the
view.
lower part. Up above us, there's going to be some coverage just here, so we'll be shaded from the sunlight, especially for the summertime when it's going to be very, very warm. This bike here is going to be on the roof of the front part, so you'll know where it is. Apparently it's all going to be lit up, LEDs presumably. This is going to be what Paul says is going to be the information centre.
It's going to be
Where-
excellent.
You're going to be able to buy tickets for cruises, jeep safaris, etc. Up on the roof.
I could feel quite at home behind the bar here.
You could work here, couldn't you, Ness? You'd love this. Yeah. Yeah, shall we move to Cyprus and you could work here?
Oh, please. Right.
This is looking very nice and it's coming on really, really well. And you've got the M's here from Marika and me. And all ready to go on the property. They're busy. They're really busy and they're doing really well.
Yeah, they're working hard.
They are. So, anyway, that's a short video of what is happening,
Just a little one.
just to give you some idea. And we're going to leave you with the view of Bar Street, which is just over this banister. In the distance, I'm going to just zoom in and you'll see the sign for the Dionysus Hotel. So that gives you some idea exactly where it is. And it's up behind the Dionysus.
Or Dionysus.
However you want to spell it. Yeah, Dionysus. That's the Bar Street down below. And this is the road coming along in front. Car park there, as I said. Lineker's bar, etc. all being renovated when they get round to it. It may not be this year. And look at that sky, isn't it gorgeous? A little bit of cloud, but super, super warm on a beautiful day. Anyway, we're going to say thanks for watching. If you like what you see, click the like.
And subscribe.
And we'll catch you again very soon, and possibly another day in Paphos.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye bye.